Hi, I am Indra. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a nice delicious bread pudding. So let's get started. Let's go over some of the ingredients that you will be needing to complete this recipe. Here I have some half and half milk, whole milk, 2 loaves of sliced bread, cinnamon, carnation milk, 1 cup of raisin, some mixed essence, palm spray, and 1 stick of butter, and 1 nutmeg. See you in the next step. Here in my big bowl, I'm going to go ahead and break up the sliced bread. I'm going to use like 1.5 loaves of bread. Here I have 1.5 loaves of bread. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in the milk. Some of the half and half milk. About 1 cup. Whole milk. You need enough milk to soak the bread. I'm going to add in the 1 stick of butter. Some mixed essence. Cinnamon. Some grated nutmeg, raisin. You can add as much raisin as you like. Give this a good mix. You want all the ingredients to combine very well. I am using 1.5 cup of sugar. You can use as much sugar as you like. Give it a good mix to combine all the ingredients together. I'm going to soak the bread in the milk for about 20 minutes. See you in the next step. Look at the bread, guys. It's been soaking for 20 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and put it into a baking pan. Here's my baking pan. I sprayed it with some palm spray. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put the mixture into the baking pan. See you in the next step. My oven is preheating at 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and bake the bread pudding for 1.5 hours. See you in the next step. Look at the bread pudding, guys. It's done baking. It took 1 hour 45 minutes to bake. I'm going to go ahead and let it cool, and then I will cut it and show you what it looked like. See you in the next step. There you have it. The bread pudding came out really nice and super delicious. You must try this recipe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.